My name is Robert Smith and I am a farm animal practitioner in South East Wales and a director of Iechyd, the veterinary delivery partner for TB for South Wales. Within Iechyd, I chair the working group for responsible antimicrobial use and hence my involvement in this new project, Arwain DGC. One of the principal aims of the overall project is to explore the relationship between antimicrobial use and antimicrobial resistance on Welsh livestock farms, and also to promote responsible medicine use. As part of this, Iechyd, in collaboration with the Wales Veterinary Science Centre in Aberystwyth, will be piloting different systems of collecting syndromic surveillance data from veterinary practices in Wales. These practices will cover the different geographical areas and work with the different livestock systems that we have here. The aim of this work stream is to assess the practicality of collecting this data in real-world situations with a view to creating a workable national scheme. The project itself will collect information on the instances of specific clinical signs or syndromes presenting on farms on a rolling basis. For example, mastitis, lameness, respiratory disease, and of course there are many others. For this level of surveillance, we are less interested in the confirmed diagnosis, but more in the clinical syndromes that may lead to increased antibiotic use. This data can then be collated and used to advise farmers, vets and other stakeholders on disease risk, and also to alert us to possible new and emerging or perhaps re-emerging disease. This then allows for control measures to be put in place to reduce the impact of disease on farm and reduce excessive antibiotic use. The scheme itself will involve up to 6 veterinary practices across Wales. They will be chosen from practices already engaging in Arwain DGC. The Wales Veterinary Science Centre will use these different practices to trial various methods of collecting syndromic surveillance data from vets working on the ground. The practicality of using existing data collection methods, for example practice management systems, will be explored in addition to trialling novel methods where appropriate. In addition to this, the Wales Veterinary Science Centre will be collaborating with Public Health Wales to explore what systems are in place in human medicine for collecting this type of data and whether the systems can be adapted for veterinary use.